move it. What's the other one? A lever. You know what a lever is? You wedge something in there and you push it up.
Yeah.
Which one? Or you just kind of holding something. Which one requires the least?
When you hold it in the box.
Yeah, just hold the box. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Now we're back to space for 41. This is called an HR diagram. Remember, it puts all the stars on there based on brightness.
We talked about these already. And heat.
And the heat. The brightness is what axis? The X or the Y?
The Y.
Good, the Y axis. And the heat is the X axis. Good. So it's a simple graph, just like this. Brightness, I'll just put B, and then the heat down here. Now it's hottest on this side and cooler over here. And this is bright, and this is dim. You have a bunch of stars everywhere, some of them down here, and a few of them up here. Look at your graph. What are the two things it gave you? What's the first thing it gave you? It said, here's two clues, find the star. What's one of them that it gave you?
Heat.
What's the heat that it gave you?
6,000.
6,000. So should you look at the X or Y axis for that?
X.
Good. And where is it? About the middle, left, or right?
In the middle.
So yeah, kind of in this area. So that means it would be like somewhere in there. So then what's the other thing it gave you? Come on.
It gave you the high magnitude.
High magnitude. Now on the left, do you see where it says absolute magnitude?
Yeah.
High magnitude. Do you think it's the top or the bottom?
The top.
Top. So it's going to be somewhere up here where it's bright. So now it's somewhere in this area. What's in this area on your graph?
I got that right.
All right, we're still on space. Which one has billions of stars? Billions, Ricky. Head up, or when you stand up. Now, not billions and billions. It's got to be less than 2 billion.
Galaxy? Nubia? Galaxy.
Yeah, this one you could go either way, but the closest one is going to be galaxies.
I said
Galaxy.
you said the
Now, not the universe. The universe has like trillions and trillions and trillions and trillions of stars. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on Earth. Yeah, I'm going to say that again. You realize that? Like there's unbelievable amount of stars in the universe. The galaxy has billions of stars. The answer is?
8.
Good. A nebula, you might get hundreds, maybe even thousands of stars, but you're not going to get like billions of stars in one cloud. You're not going to get that. Usually. Okay. You guys should be able to do this one. You are surrounded by food webs and food pyramids. What's the answer to 43?
2.
Ricky, what'd you get? 43.
I'll tell you what I got.
I got 2. I put 2 or 3 because 2 or 1.
I got 2 or 1.
2.
You can only put one answer. You can't put one. Somewhere between 0 and 100.
I put 2 or 3 because but I put 2 because it was 0.
What'd you get, Ricky? 4. 1.
Yay! Girl, you got to you said 2 or 3. But I also got change it on the search. But I put eliminate 1 and it told you 2.
Eyes up here. Eyes up here. Come on. We're reviewing for start. Pay attention. Eyes up here. You look at squid. How many arrows directly point to the squid?
2.
Like, keep it simple, guys. Don't, like, overthink it and say, well, the small fish eat the zooplankton, and then the phytoplankton go in there, so that's like 4, and then, no, don't, like, get crazy with it. Just, how many organisms provide energy to it? 2. You see why?
Yes.
How many provide energy to the shark?
2.
What about to, it's a type of fish, it's called cod.
2. 1. 2.
3.
2.
2. Pay attention. That arrow is going from cod to seal. Okay, so there's only 2. What about number 44? Holly, what'd you get? Say your head up, man. You suffer with everybody.
I hit him with H.
H? Lopez, which number are we on? What'd you get? What'd you get? 44.
I got B.
Yeah? B?
What, H? I got G.
We got all the answers
I got
now.
J. Oh,
Yay! Gershon?
What grade is that from? When'd you learn that?
6, 7.
6th, 7th grade.
No,
Mostly
7th
7th.
grade. 7th grade.
Mostly in 7th
That's
grade.
how the story
The STAR test covers which grades? Which 3?
5, 6, 7.
Not 5.
6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8.
All right, guys, number 45.
Oh, so this is just a
I got
review?
A.
Yeah. You thought it was this?
Good, Dave.
Sleep.
Deja, what'd you get for 45?
I ain't even do that one yet. I had skipped that one. I did.
I got A. That's my lot. We got this blue.
I got
D.
yeah, I got D or C. It's D and
What'd you
F.
get? 45.
I didn't know you were supposed to go past 44. If you
Say on the board. Stop at what number?
54.
I ain't even look over there.
I'm gonna work through this one while you guys are finishing up, in case you didn't finish. What's the force that causes things to come together? What's the force that causes this thing, when I let go of it, to fall?
Gravity.
Good. Which one is gravity? Z, X, or Y?
It's D.
Good. Gravity causes the orbits. It's gravity. Z. Don't let them trick you.
It's only Z.
Finish up. Some of us didn't finish.
Mr. Nahari is only Z. Oh, yeah.
You already done here?
An interruption. Could Destiny Jordan, Shannon Peppers, Jerica Jackson, LaBridget Bell, and Brianna Harding come to the front office?
I know I'm
Destiny Jordan, Shannon Peppers, Jerica Jackson, LaBridget Bell, and Brianna Harding come to the front office.
I know this.
Okay, most of us are done. Eyes up here. Kevin, what'd you get for 46? What'd you get? F. Badger, what'd you get for 46?
I got B. You said 46.
Yeah. Why? Why F? Give him a minute. Question is, he said F.
Oh, I know
My
why.
question is, hold on, my question is, why? Why do you pick F? Hold on, let him answer, let him answer.
This is the first answer that I
Let
really
him-
know.
Can I say it? Can I say it?
That's more important to me is why you got that answer. Yeah, well, I can just put A, B, C, or D. Why did you get it?
How can I say?
What'd you put first of all? What'd you put?
No, let me go. Don't let her go.
Why'd you put F? We can get to you.
Because they said over the years the cat first become longer and thicker, but at first it was soft and short, and then season was changing.
Good. Did everyone hear that? Everyone hear that?
No, because I was supposed to.
Deja, what?
Well,
Say it like you mean.
It was the really.
Why F?
It's the same.
Why F? So they can hear you though.
No, it's okay. I do next
They didn't hear. Why F? What'd you put? Stay quiet.
In the summer, it's hot, so you're supposed to have that much track. In the winter, it's cold, so you're supposed to be thicker, and you're supposed to have a lot.
That's your logic, right?
Yeah, because that's
Good.
what I want. And then for me.
Teacher.